My wife came out today and pruned and topped our Brussels sprouts. And the reason being, we have babied these all winter long, taken care of them, covered them in the frost. The plants look great, some of them are huge, and have produced nothing. I mean, this is as close as we've gotten. And my wife said some of them were starting to bolt, so she topped them out, pruned them up real good. See what that does. She said she's going to give them 3 weeks, and if they don't produce, like anything else on the farm, it doesn't produce, they gotta go. Now back here, my daughter pulled up the collards, getting this bed ready for planting again. Now the flip side of the Brussels sprouts, right there, we got 4 harvests off these collards. And let me tell you, there's nothing better than having fresh greens in wintertime. So they did their job. Ready for another round. What do you do with any scrap that comes out of your garden? You give it to the animals. Billy likes fresh salad. I also gave a big pile to the nanny goats. They're not nearly as appreciative. They're kind of spoiled, but hey, you know, they give milk. Well, that one does. That one right there hasn't started yet, but she will. While you're sharing the harvest, or the scrap of the harvest, I guess, don't forget your chickies. They like greens. Look at them. And we even gave some to the babies. Look at that. Isn't that cute? Anyways, guys, no waste around here. It's all good for something. Take it easy. Peace.